Cheaty the dog. Give me something to work with. Isaac Vineyard. We are in the future according to the rest of the stuff on this tape.
Wild times.
Look at that, you've got a camcorder in your hand. What else does that do, Isaac? For the people in 2008, they don't know, 2006, they don't know.
This thing does everything, it's like a freaking...
Hold on, I have to zoom out. What? It does...
This thing's like a freaking computer.
That's crazy. In your pocket?
Well, not right now.
Oh.
Right now it's in my hand.
Why you always so mean to me?
So what?
Low fidelity. Hey, Cheaty, come by my side. We're gonna be famous, you and I. The camera's over there. We're gonna send this into America's Funniest Home Videos because we're gonna kiss. Again. Again. You're a star, Cheaty. You're a star. You're gonna be like the the fancy ladies.